This video will show how you can embed an iframe into a reading page in your course module so that you can embed your OER resource directly into a module page and give your students that instructor context to help guide them with the reading. First, you want to create the page in the module, and then we will go in and edit the content in that page. I'm going to add my iframe here. And you see how I have bars at the bottom. That's going to be important to note in just a second. We are going to go into the rich content HTML editor. And you can see that this is where my returns were. So that's the blank space. So I'm going to put my iframe code right here. And I have that here in the iframe adding a website within a page in the OC Faculty Hub. So you're going to take that HTML code and you are going to paste it right here in your rich content editor. And then you're going to grab the URL for your OER resource. And so I have that over here. And we're going to just replace this web address with the web address that we're using for our online education resource or our free textbook. And then we'll go back to the regular rich content editor and you can see that the reading shows up in the page now. And that is how you embed HTML content directly into an iframe and to have the OER load directly into a reading page inside of Canvas.